Hello, good evening or good morning depending on when you're looking at this video. I just want to start off by saying I hope you and your family have been staying safe and at least somewhat trying to enjoy this interesting time we're living in right now. The first thing I want to tell you in this video is just how much I and we here at City High all miss you and want to be back together as soon as we can. That being said, we're definitely doing this out of an abundance of caution, and we want to do what is best and safe for everyone. And so we'll make sure that we're back when it is safe to be back. I know I'm looking forward to that. You guys, maybe not as much, but you know, I think it'll be good to get back to normal when it's safe to do so. Okay, so one of the things that I want to talk about today is just some of the resources that the district has sent out to you recently, where to access those, and what suggestions I might have in case you're looking for something to do and kind of make up for some of the things that we're going to be missing in class this year. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over here and show you the Canvas page, and you can take a look at that if you get a second, and then I'll come back and we'll finish this up. So if you take a look here at your course homepage, this one just happens to be geometry. This will be the very home page. So when you open this up, this is the first thing you'll see. The video that I'm talking to you from right now will be here. I'm also going to send that out via email tonight. One of the first things that I wanted to show you is just a list that the district has already sent out to you. The biggest thing that I want to reiterate right now is that this is completely optional. The health of your family, your safety, your mental health, all of that stuff is way more important, is definitely the priority at this time. This is just something to do if you're looking for something to kind of get back to a little bit of normal, or if you're looking for something to kind of occupy some of that free time you have. So the first thing here you have is this link to the district resources. This one's going to link you straight to that document. I would go ahead and click here where it says high school. That'll take you down to the resources. You can find math or English or whatever you're looking for there. Those are kind of very general resources. What I will also go ahead and post here tonight before I send this video out is just a link to a Khan Academy unit. For those of you in geometry, I'm going to be sending out a link for circles. That's probably the topic that we're going to end up skipping this year. And so if you're looking for information on what you would have missed if you were, or what we would have covered if you were here, there'll be a link right there. Actually, sorry, the link will be right here, but this will say circles. If we're in pre-calc, the first thing I'm going to link to is a unit on probability and statistics. That's a really interesting unit, and unfortunately we're just not going to have time to cover that today or this year. I know some of you signed up for AP statistics next year anyway, so that'll be great. The biggest thing, again, this is completely optional. None of it is graded, none of it is required. It's kind of up to you if you want to do that. You certainly are welcome to. If you have any questions at all, you are certainly welcome to contact me. Just go ahead and send me an email, and I'll be happy to get back to you. If at any point you want to meet face-to-face, we can definitely set up something like a Zoom meeting and talk about anything you want to talk about that way. And of course, it doesn't have to be about math. If there's anything that you have concerns about and you want to talk, just go ahead and let me know. I guess to end it up then, I will be posting something on here about once a week for the next 3 weeks. And hopefully by the end of that 3 weeks, we'll be able to get back together in person. But we'll have to see about that, I guess. Again, stay safe and enjoy this time off with your families.